Thank you, and welcome to the Insurance Apprentice Season 8. I'm your host, Simon Coleman from SHA, and we're back with a new episode this week as we continue our quest to find the ultimate ambassador of the South African short-term insurance industry. This week, we have a fresh group of contestants, some brokers, some underwriters, some relationship managers, and maybe potentially some hopeless wannabes, all here in a fight to secure a spot in the top 12, in the hopes of being the Insurance Apprentice 2022. This episode is brought to you by Bryte Insurance, who specialize in providing short-term insurance risk management solutions to businesses. All the questions in this episode have been prescribed by Bryte Insurance and will test our contestants' general insurance knowledge and also some specifics on the company itself. So without further ado, let's welcome this week's contestants. Welcome contestants.
Hi, thanks, Simon.
Good to see some familiar faces, lots of nervous faces as well. I know this is the first time for some of you being on the show. Let me assure you, there is a lot to worry about. Everything is at stake, but I do wish you all the best as we move through the games today. Right, let's see who we've got here. Pranesh.
Hi, Simon.
Hi, Pranesh. I noticed looking at your profile here that you are a recoveries advisor at Hollard.
Yes, I am.
Is that kind of like a 12-step program for people that have had way too much insurance in their lives? Advising people on their recoveries?
Yes, something like that. Eh?
That's exactly what it is. Great. Who else have we got here? We've got Victor.
That'll be me.
Victor, you're from Aon?
Yes, Aon South Africa, yes.
Victor, have you thought of a career in ventriloquism? Because you are able to speak without moving your mouth at all.
That is very weird.
That is kind of weird. But anyway, hopefully that'll help you in some way as we move through the competition. Then who else have we got here in this team? We've got Kerry.
Hi, Simon.
Hi, Kerry. Nice bubbly personality there.
Thank you.
You're from Teleshow, right?
That's correct.
Okay, well, welcome. Clinton.
Hi, Simon.
I noticed that the name of your brokerage is also your surname. So Anthony and Anthony, this is your own business.
Yes, it is, Simon.
Okay, who's the other Anthony?
That would be the lovely wife.
Ah, husband and wife team.
Yes, she forced me, Simon.
Best of luck to you. Masichaba, it's lovely to see you again. Masichaba, you're on mute. And there was a time in last year's competition where I wished that I could have muted you.
Someone clearly doesn't want me to.
Someone doesn't want you to win.
I see you.
Masichaba, there might be some people out there that don't know you and did not know what you went through last year. So we prepared a short video. Let's take a look. Game on, Masichaba.
Yes.
Name the 4 possible treatments of risk.
Pass. 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 Pass.
It's the end of the road and it's time for us to say goodbye. Masichaba.
I'm in my pajamas.
You're one of the wildcard competitors and you're going to be coming back and joining us for the rest of the competition. Masichaba, didn't recognize you without your pajamas. Up at the top, we still have Masichaba, our wildcard, still in the lead.
And at the time, they were experiencing a similar problem to
Masichaba,
insurers.
you've gone 2 minutes over time there. You're eating into your teammates' time. And this is where we write you off. Goodbye. Wow, that was a pretty dramatic moment.
Hey,
How do you feel seeing that again?
it's weird. I'd kind of forgotten, well, except for that episode, the 2 minutes, I'll never forget that.
Yeah, Masichaba, no pajamas this time?
No. We went shopping, so we're sorted. Enough
Okay.
clothes for all the
I
episodes.
appreciated your dedication to the task though. Anyway, best of luck to you, best of luck to all of you. And with that, it's time for Rapid Risk. In Rapid Risk, our contestants will be asked 10 multiple choice questions. For every correct answer, they will be awarded 6 points, which will move them up the leaderboard. The first person to answer correctly scores 4 additional bonus points. The 5 contestants with the highest scores at the end of the game will advance to the next round, while the rest will see their desire to be the next champion disappearing faster than a big screen TV at a looting incident. All right, contestants, are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Yes.
That doesn't sound like you're ready. Contestants, are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, we are, Simon.
Yeah.
Your first question. In which year did Bryte's ancestor company, Star Life, sell the first insurance policy? Was it A, 1893, B, 1849, C, 1874, or D, 1852? Your time is up. Get those answers in. The correct answer, of course, being B, 1849, and almost everybody got that correct. But the fastest answer was Clinton. Well done, Clinton.
That should ease the nerve, Simon.
Yeah, you get those bonus points. You're off the mark. Congratulations. Dimitri,
Yes, Simon.
apparently you're the only person that didn't answer that question.
By the time the questions came up, Simon, I clicked a bit slow.
You were slow.
Yes.
Okay. This might be slowly leaving the competition, Dimitri. Let's pick up that pace.
Not at all. Yes.
All right, next question. From which country is Bryte's holding company Fairfax? Is it A, the United Kingdom, B, North Korea, C, Australia, or D, Canada? Only one correct answer. Lock them in, and your time is up. The correct answer, of course, being D, Canada, and there were 9 correct answers that round. The fastest correct answer, though, was Kerry. Well done, Kerry. I like that. Express your satisfaction at winning the round. Mpumi,
Yes.
let's have a quick chat. How many businesses do you know that operate out of North Korea?
I wanted to say United Kingdom. And I just pressed, I'm like, no, take me back.
I don't think Fairfax have any investments in that part of the world. That's extremely unlikely.
I don't think anyone is welcome there.
Okay, but you never know. Maybe that's on the target list. Anyway, moving on. Which of the following insurance principles applies if a client is underinsured? Is it A, betterment, B, subrogation, C, average, or D, mastication? Lock those answers in. Only one correct answer. And the correct answer, of course, was C, average. 13 correct answers that round. Only one person didn't get it right. But the fastest correct answer was Sunal. You look surprised.
Not today, devil.
Who are you calling devil? Is that me, the host of the Insurance Apprentice?
Never will I do that.
Okay, well done, Sunal. That's a good start for you. You're moving up the leaderboard swiftly. Dimitri,
Yes, Simon.
I can see some improvement in your performance. That time, you managed to get an answer in, which is fantastic. Unfortunately, you were the only one to get the incorrect answer. Okay, moving on. Who should take note of the amendments in the General Code of Conduct? Is it A, FSPs, B, key individuals, C, representatives, or D, all of the above? Get those answers in. Your time is up. The correct answer, of course, being D, all of the above. Almost everyone got that answer right, 12 correct answers. But fastest finger was Clinton again. Clinton, you are in it to win it, it seems.
Yes, I am, Simon.
What's the strategy?
Thinking on my feet as quick as possible.
How many people are in your business?
We about 3. It's me and my wife, and then an extra advisor.
So I see you're the managing director.
Yes, I am, Simon.
What is your wife's position?
She's co-director and obviously managing the office.
She's co-managing director.
Something like that.
I would have loved to have seen this conversation playing itself out.
It was tough, Simon, but it's part of my job.
Okay. All right, moving on. Well done. In January 2021, Bryte purchased a controlling stake in the South African operation of which company? Was it A, Smart Legal, B, Famous Brands, C, Sapphire Risk Transfer, or D, RMC? Only one of those answers is correct. Lock it in. The correct answer, of course, being C, Sapphire Risk Transfer South Africa, and everybody got that answer correct. Well done. The fastest answer, though, was Kerry. Kerry, you're on a roll. It looks like it's you and Clinton that are fighting this out at the top there.
Yes, I hope Clinton do this connection.
Clinton, you might need some cyber insurance to make it through this competition without being hacked. Well, looking at the leaderboard, we've got Clinton and Kerry tied in first place on 38 points. We've got Simon and Nelisiwa, Masechaba and Kwame all on 30 points in third place, so a strong battle happening there. Then we've got Sunel on 28, and then the rest of the field pretty much all on 24, except Dimitri, who's sitting with a measly 12 points at this stage. But Dimitri, you could still make a comeback, because if you get those valuable bonus points, you could see yourself moving up the table. So it's not too late, things can dramatically change. All right, moving on. Mr. X is a key individual for an FSP. Which one is not Mr. X's responsibility? Is it A, to provide advice to clients and sell insurance policies? B, review the recruitment process and ensure that all new candidates meet the requirements? C, review the client's advice records of sales made by representatives? Or D, to debar reps who have continued with misconduct? The correct answer, of course, being A, which was to provide advice to clients and sell insurance policies. And there were only 3 correct answers out of 14 there. Simon, well done, you got that.
Thanks, Simon.
Clearly, this speaks to you in your experience as a broker at Opperman and Associates.
Yeah, well, I'm currently busy with my trainee KI.
Okay, that explains it. Well, keep it up. Good luck. That's your first bonus points, if I'm not mistaken. Kwame, you didn't get an answer in there.
I was too slow to click on it.
Too slow?
Yes.
You do realize that this is called rapid risk. It's kind of a giveaway on how it works. You're focusing too much on the risk part. That's what it is, and not enough on the rapid bit. All right. Okay, let's move on. A natural person who has a truck crash through their garden wall and hits their house would have a property insurance claim under A, householder's insurance, B, motor, C, personal accident, or D, third-party liability. Which of those is the correct answer? Time is up. Only one correct answer, which was householder's insurance. 7 of you got that right. And the fastest correct answer was Clinton. Pushing you back to the top of the table, Clinton.
Yes, Simon.
Well, I think it's worth celebrating the fact that Dimitri got that one right. Well done, Dimitri.
Thanks, Simon.
Moving up the table. Dimitri, you are into fishing, I see. That's what you do for fun.
One of the hobbies.
Okay, well, hopefully you won't need to focus on that as a full-time vocation after this program.
Thanks, Simon.
All right, next question. What is Bryte's offering that specifically focuses on customers who operate as sole proprietors in trade, retail, or professional fields? Is it A, Flexi Lift, B, Flexi Flight, C, Trade Ship, or D, Bryte Pro? A, B, C, or D? Your time is up. And the correct answer was B, flexi-flight. And there were only 3 correct answers that round. The fastest correct answer being Masechaba. Well done. Hey! Lady of few words.
Hi, it's arthritis this year. I'm a bit slow.
All right, well done, Masechaba. That really sees you moving significantly up the table. So we've got Clinton, Simon, Masechaba, and Kerry sitting at the top of the table. And then all tied in 5th place. Nelisiwe, Kwame, Jessica, Victor, Monde, Mpumi, all tied on 30 points for that critical 5th position that would see you going into the next round. Mpumi, I have to congratulate you, because in the history of the Insurance Apprentice, you were the fastest person to get a question wrong. You do realize that this equation requires 2 things to happen. It must be fast and also right, yes.
Maybe next time, maybe I'm trying the fast first and then I'll come with the correct.
Deep breaths, it's not too late. All right, next question. An insured is drunk while parked at a venue and someone crashes into his car. Which principle will assist in determining the validity of the claim? Is it A, average, B, proximate cause, C, an official police report, or D, indemnity? 11 correct answers. Well done, guys. And the correct answer being B, proximate cause. Masechaba making an absolute fight of the end of this competition, of this round. Well done, Masechaba. You got fastest response.
Thank you.
Getting those critical bonus points. I see your strategy now.
Confuse the enemy.
Confusing the enemy, confusing the host here as well. What is going on? Mpumi, you're getting a lot of airtime here today.
How are you thinking, Simon?
So the question had something to do with somebody being drunk, but the car was parked, right? Someone else crashed into them. And you thought that it would be a good idea to get?
The police.
A police report. This poor drunk person that wasn't even driving his car at the time. All right, thanks, Mpumi. The final question in Rapid Risk Episode 2 is: the Bryte brand and corporate identity was created and launched in which year? A, 2017, B, 1984, C, 2007, or D, 1997? Which is it? 11 correct answers that round, the correct one being A, 2017. But the fastest correct answer was Nelisiwe. Well done, not leaving it too late, Nelisiwe. Welcome to the game.
Thank you.
In the final question. All right, so let's take a look at that leaderboard at the end of Rapid Risk. In first place, we've got Masechaba with 68 points. Second place with 60 points, Clinton. In third place with 58 points, Simon. Fourth place with 48 points is Mondi. And in fifth place with 46 points, just squeezing ahead of the competition, is Nelisiwe. Congratulations to the top 5. Now, unfortunately, this is not the Oprah Winfrey Show, and not everyone is a winner. In fact, almost everyone here is a loser. Goodbye to the rest of the contestants. You are dismissed. All right, so well done to our top 5. How are you guys feeling right now?
Awesome. Absolutely awesome.
Only Masechaba is feeling awesome. The rest of you are feeling absolutely terrible.
Still nervous, Simon.
That's not true.
Still nervous.
There is a bit of nerves, but yeah.
Are you excited?
Feeling awesome as well. Yeah.
Simon, are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited and nervous, but yeah, I'm excited.
Tell me something. How do people in your family know when you're excited? What do you do?
will see.
They'll see.
Depends on the mood and everything, but it's a stressful situation currently. I can put it in perspective.
You're too stressed to get excited.
Yeah, you can say that.
Okay. Anyway, you may feel you can relax now, but I'm afraid things are just getting started because your next challenge is coming right up after the break.
Seeing into the future is no easy task. Unseen risks lie waiting everywhere. So being prepared for any eventuality is a Bryte decision. As a premier proactive insurance specialist, Bryte Insurance partners with you and your business to manage your insurance needs. Visit bryteinsure.co.za or contact your broker for more. Bryte Insurance. Approach risk with purpose.
And welcome back. We pick up right where we left off. We have 5 contestants who landed those top scores in rapid risk, some due to their extensive knowledge of the short-term insurance industry, and well, some just by pure luck. But luck isn't going to get them too far in this competition. Guys, there's just one thing I'd like to say to you. When people think about insurance practitioners, they may often have lurking somewhere in the back of their minds that we are boring individuals who don't get excited about much. It is our job, collectively, on this show, to prove them wrong. That aspirational view, that impression that we want to create of insurance. Yeah. Simon, you just sort of spurred into action there. How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling good now.
Okay, you feeling excited? You had a little coffee there in the break?
Yeah, coffee, went to the bathroom and whatsoever.
Okay, let's not go into too much detail. All right. So with that, I must just highlight, walking away with the title of the Insurance Apprentice is not an easy task. And I'm going to prove that to you right now with the write-off. In the write-off, I will ask each of our contestants 15 unique questions to further test their insurance knowledge. Each contestant will have 2 minutes to answer as many questions as they can. If they don't know the answer, they can pass and move on to the next question, but they will forfeit those points. Only the top 3 scorers will advance to the next stage of the competition, and the rest will indeed be written off without a payout. Up first, we have Masichaba. Masichaba, when did you move to Sedgwick's?
In November last year.
And would you say that this job opportunity came about because of your participation on the Insurance Apprentice?
Absolutely, yes.
This has helped you in your career?
Greatly. Even from a client perspective, there's just so many people that actually know my name and actually ask for me directly for work.
Great. Well, I can see Sedgwick's were probably looking for somebody that looks to dominate the entire program, takes over all of the time, right? No. I'm just messing with you. I'm glad that you are doing well, and I'm glad that the apprentice helped you to get there. Masichaba, you ready?
Hey, this is where I died last time.
All right. Masichaba, your time starts now. For how many years has Bryte received the award of Top Employer South Africa?
5 years.
That is incorrect. True or false? Bryte's mission is to cover and protect clients to the best of its ability at all costs.
False.
That is correct. True or false? Towing in services is a value-added product to a motor policy.
True.
That is incorrect. Which Bryte partner is known for providing gadget, small business, and tax risk insurance cover?
Vapsure.
That is incorrect. Who does the short-term ombit report to?
Pass.
True or false? Lloyd's is the oldest insurer in South Africa.
False.
That is correct. Who is Bryte's partner that are experts in crop insurance?
False.
True or false? The company secretary of an FSP who welcomes guests is also considered a representative according to the phase legislation.
False.
That is correct. What type of policy provides cover for a game, lodge, or bed and breakfast?
Hospitality.
That is correct. Which document forms part of a broker's record keeping that relates to client advice?
Record of advice.
That's correct. What other regulation provides for the protection of customers other than the policyholder protection rules?
FIS Code of Conduct.
That is incorrect. Yes or no, does Old Mutual Insure have operations in Kenya?
Yes.
That is incorrect. Who is the client of a UMA?
An insurer.
I'll accept that. True or false? Bryte's Sharia compliant product is called Sharia Commercial Insurance.
False.
That is correct. And your time is up. All right, Masachaba, you got 7 answers correct. Let's see if that's enough to keep you in the top 3. Let's have a chat to Clinton. Why didn't your wife enter?
She wanted the MD to enter.
Maybe she can enter next year.
I'll motivate her, Simon.
Clinton, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Your time starts now. What is the name of the Bryte initiative that supports customers and communities in need?
The Maharishi Institute.
That is incorrect. True or false? Bryte Life mainly focuses on funeral insurance.
False.
That is incorrect. True or false? Giving a client a brochure to read information is a form of intermediary service.
False.
That is incorrect. Name the insurance product that insures hulls and cargo.
False. Marine. Sorry, marine.
Okay, we'll accept that. True or false? A copy of an FSP's license must be given to clients upon request.
False.
That is incorrect. True or false? Old Mutual opened its offices in Hong Kong and Guernsey in 2000.
False.
That is correct. Who is Bryte's partner that are experts in liability matters?
False.
What specialist product will provide cover for damage due to riots and strikes?
Sazria.
That is correct.
Sazria.
Which treating customers fairly TCF outcome is relevant to the changes to complaints?
False.
The insurer takes a client's vehicle which has been written off following a claim to sell it and recover some costs. What is that term called?
False. Recovery.
That is incorrect. What does a loss adjuster do?
A loss adjuster checks if a vehicle or property needs to be written off or if it's repairable.
Okay, that's not what I'm looking for. That is incorrect. Yes or no, does Old Mutual Insure operate in Zimbabwe?
Yes.
That is correct. What is the cash payment made to an insured for being claim-free over a certain period of time?
Cashback bonus.
That is correct. So your time is up. How do you think that went, Clinton?
Not very well.
Clinton, your score is 5. That puts you behind Masachaba. You'll be relying on your fellow competitors to do worse than you have to stay in the competition.
Fingers crossed.
This is like my football team, Newcastle United.
And Man United.
All right. Simon, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Your time starts now. Name 2 insurance institutes that Bryte is a part of.
Zurich and SA Eagle.
That is incorrect. How much has Bryte paid in COVID-related travel claims?
False.
True or false? Intermediary services representatives must disclose when they provide an opinion, and the client must sign the disclosure.
True.
That is incorrect. True or false? The client can cancel their policy at any time without notice and receive a pro rata of their paid premiums back.
True.
That is correct. True or false? A person's marital status does not affect the premium when insuring a vehicle under personal lines.
False.
That is correct. True or false? Old Mutual turns 177 in 2022.
True.
That is correct. Who is Bryte's partner that are experts in health and pet insurance?
False.
The 3 types of evidence that are required for an insurance contract to be legally binding are premium, proposal, and what else?
False.
Who is responsible for the accuracy of information when gathering information from the client for insurance purposes?
The broker.
That is incorrect. When will a vehicle be written off by an insurer?
If it's more than 50% damaged.
Okay, we'll accept that. Who decides whether to accept a risk or decline sets the terms and conditions as well as the premium?
The insurer, the underwriter.
That is correct. Yes or no, does Old Mutual Insure have operations in Nigeria? Yes. That is correct. A natural person buys 5 sewing machines to make and sell clothes. Under what class of business will she be in? Okay, your time is up. All right, Simon, how do you think that went?
No, not so good.
Okay, well, you may be surprised that you scored 6, which actually puts you behind Masichaba but ahead of Clinton. So you're in the top 3. It's all up to Monde and Nelisiwe now to see if they can change that leaderboard. All right, next up we have Monde. I see here though, ironically, you worked in a fast food place before you joined the insurance industry.
That's before I got a job in insurance. That was high school days.
Is there a massive difference between the energy levels that are required in insurance versus in a fast food restaurant?
I think so. Yeah, I really think so. You need a lot of energy to deal with clients over the phone.
Okay, not just flipping burgers. All right, your time starts now. Which education institution is working alongside Bryte to facilitate its 12-month learnership program?
Maharishi Institute?
That is incorrect. True or false? Impact Underwriting Managers, a Bryte partner, specializes in motor mechanical warranties.
False.
That is incorrect. True or false? The client may instruct the provider not to focus on certain financial needs.
True.
That is correct. With which country does South Africa have a reciprocal agreement with regarding loss damage due to riots and strikes?
Sasria? Is it Kenya?
That is incorrect. The client would like to insure their colleague's Gucci handbag and the insurer declines. What would the reason for this be?
The client doesn't have insurable interest?
That is correct. True or false? Old Mutual's head office is based in Cape Town.
False.
That is incorrect.
Sorry, true.
Too late. Name one source for clients to see which products an FSP is authorized for.
Pass.
True or false? Liability cover under building insurance will insure you against liability to the members of your household.
False.
That is correct. Name 3 cities where Bryte has regional offices.
Bloemfontein, Cape Town, and Durban.
That is correct. Give any one reason why a motor claim could be repudiated.
Drunken driving.
That is correct. What is a captive insurer?
Pass.
And your time is up. Mondi, how do you think you did there?
Not so great.
It was an interesting strategy you deployed there for a moment, which was waiting for the answer and then giving the answer on the true or false question.
No, sometimes I realized after I answered that it was not
that I'd already given you the answer. All right, Mondi, you have scored 5 questions correct. That puts you in a tie with Clinton in that top 3. You'll be relying now on Nelisiwe to determine whether you're going through. All right, Nelisiwe. I don't know if I have any information about you. You were a telesales agent selling insurance, but what did you do before that?
I was selling ADSL landlines at Telkom.
ADSL landlines. Wow, that's like selling VHS machines. Right?
I know.
All right, Nelisiwe, your time starts now. Who is the CEO of Bryte?
It's Edwin Olnell.
That is correct. True or false? The educational institute Bryte has a partnership with is the University of Johannesburg.
False.
That is correct. True or false? Key features, terms and conditions must be explained, even when the client requested the product specifically.
True.
That is correct. For what value should a client insure their all risks items?
It should be the sum insured.
That is incorrect. True or false? Motor policies only provide cover for vehicles that are registered in South Africa.
True.
That is correct. True or false? Old Mutual iWise offers car, home and life insurance and medical gap cover.
True.
That is correct. Who is Bryte's partner that are experts in the loss of funds insurance?
That is Phil Schild.
Yes, that is correct. What is the highest value a person can insure their car for?
It's the sum insured.
That is incorrect. Why is it so important for an advisor to make full disclosures?
To enable the client to make an informed decision.
That is correct. Name one type of personal lines motor policy.
Comprehensive insurance.
That is correct. What is the term used when a third party is mandated or authorized by an insurer to administer aspects of policies on its behalf, including renewals, benefit values, and claims?
That is the intermediary.
That is incorrect. Yes or no, does Old Mutual Insure have operations in Namibia?
Yes.
That is correct. Insurance bought by the low-income population offering low premiums and... Okay, we're out of time. Nelisiwe, how did you feel about that?
Not so good.
You don't think you did well?
I didn't get through to all the questions, so yeah.
All right, so just taking a look at that leaderboard, something interesting has unfolded here. We know that Masechaba with 7 points makes it through into the top 3. Simon with 6 points makes it through into that top 3. And then we had Mondi and Clinton tied on 5 points, meaning that if Nelisiwe came in at 5, we would have to go to sudden death. That is not going to happen. Nelisiwe finishes in first place with 9 points.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Mondi and Clinton, regrettably, the losses in your portfolio have exceeded your contributions, and we have no option but to cancel your participation with immediate effect. Au revoir. Nelisiwe, you went through a lot of questions very quickly and you managed to rack up those points. So well done. That should be a confidence booster to you. I was just looking at your...
Thank you so much.
When you filled in your application,
yes,
you said advice to a younger version of yourself. Do you remember what you said?
Yes, I remember very well.
What was that?
To make decisions.
Stay humble and have patience.
Yes.
I think your nerves obviously got the better of your memory.
Yes, I must say.
No, well done.
Thank you so much.
That's phenomenal. Simon.
Yes.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling happy now.
You weren't happy with your performance, but somehow you still managed to stay in that top 3. You're feeling a bit more relaxed now?
Yeah, a lot better. I feel not relaxed now at this moment.
Okay, good. Well done. Masechaba.
Yes.
No wildcard entry for you today.
I know.
New hair, new job, new strategy. It's all paying off. Well done.
We made it.
I think the audience are going to be quite keen to see your fingernails. Did you deliberately match those to your branding?
No, actually to my hair. Oh.
It also matches the Sedgwick branding behind you. Yeah. All right, well, congratulations. When it counted, you actually did a great job there. So well done to all three of you. You're going through to the next round. Congratulations. You're one step closer to realizing that dream of becoming the Insurance Apprentice. And we'll see you all again in episode 5. Now, on that note, it's a wrap for today. Thank you to our episode sponsor, Bryte, and to our official studio sponsor, Old Mutual Insure. To all of our viewers at work or at home, thanks for watching. A reminder that when you watch every episode of The Insurance Apprentice, you stand a chance to win your share of those cash prize giveaways. Be sure to like our page, share each episode on Facebook, and answer the weekly question. This week's question is, what was Masechaba wearing during her wildcard callback in the 2021 season? Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and you could stand a chance to win. We're back next week with a fresh bunch of insurance professionals who will fight to secure a spot in the top 12 in the running to become the Insurance Apprentice 2022. Until next week, thank you and goodbye.